Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hi, everyone. I'm Mike.
How are you today, Mike?
I'm great today. Very excited.
Oh, wonderful. Why are you excited?
Because today's topic is very important.
It is?
Yes, I want to think in English.
Think in English. That is our topic today.
Really?
Yes, today we talk about how to train your brain to speak in English.
Train my brain. Exercise?
Exactly. Exercise for your brain.
Is it difficult?
No, Mike. It is easy. It is natural. And it is fun.
Fun. I like fun.
Me too. But first, before we start, everyone listening, we have one small request.
Oh, yes. If you like this video, please click the like button.
Yes, the thumbs up. Click it.
And subscribe. Subscribe to Fluent English channel.
This helps us make more videos for you.
And share. Share with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, share with everyone.
I am ready. Let's start.
Okay, Mike, I have a question for you.
A question. Okay.
When you speak English, what happens in your head?
In my head? Well, I think in my language first.
Your first language?
Yes, I think of the word in my language, then I translate.
You translate in your head?
Yes, then I speak the English word.
This is very common. Many students do this.
They do?
Yes, but it is slow.
Very slow. My brain works too hard.
Exactly. And our goal today is different.
What is our goal?
To think in English. No translation. Just English.
Just English? Wow, that sounds fast.
It is fast, and it is natural.
I want this. How do I start?
We start with tip number 1.
Tip 1. I'm ready.
Tip 1 is this.
Name my actions?
Yes, when you do something, say it in English.
Say it?
Yes, in your head. Right now, what are you doing?
I am sitting.
Perfect. I am sitting.
And I am talking.
Yes, I am talking. This is it.
This is the training?
Yes, all day. You do something. You name it in English.
In my head?
Yes, in your head.
Okay. I am walking.
Good.
I am eating. I am drinking water.
Wonderful, Mike. Keep going.
I am opening the door. I am reading a book.
You see? Your brain is connecting.
Connecting.
Yes, the action and the English word. Together. No translation.
I do it. I say it. No thinking in my language.
Exactly. This builds the connection.
This is easy. I can do this.
Yes, everyone can do this.
What if I don't know the word?
Good question. Use simple words.
Simple words?
Yes, for example, maybe you don't know the word jogging.
Jogging. I don't know this word.
So you say, I am running.
I am running. Oh, same idea.
Yes, same idea. Simple is better.
Simple is good.
So tip 1, name your actions. All day, every day.
I am listening. I am learning.
Perfect. You are doing it right now.
I am. This feels good.
Okay, are you ready for tip 2?
Yes. Tip 2. What is it?
Tip 2 is this. Describe your world.
Describe my world?
Yes, use your 5 senses.
My 5 senses?
Yes, what you see, what you hear, what you feel, what you smell, what you taste.
All 5 senses.
Yes, look around right now. What do you see?
I see a table.
Good, keep going.
The table is brown. I see a cup. The cup is white.
Beautiful.
I see a window. The sky is blue today.
You are training your brain right now.
I am?
Yes, you see something, you describe it in English.
No translation.
No translation, direct connection.
Wow. Now, what do I hear?
Yes, what do you hear?
I hear a bird. I hear cars outside.
Good.
I hear music. The music is quiet.
And what do you feel?
I feel my chair. The chair is soft.
Excellent, Mike.
I feel my phone. It is cold and smooth.
Perfect. You are using your senses.
This is fun.
It is fun, and it trains your brain.
So, tip 2, describe my world. Use my 5 senses.
Yes, what you see, what you hear, what you feel.
I can do this anywhere.
Anywhere. On the bus, at home, in a park, at work.
My brain is getting stronger.
It is. Every day, little by little.
Okay, what is tip 3?
Tip 3 is very important.
Important. Okay.
Tip 3 is this. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself?
Yes, speak English out loud.
But, Sarah, I am alone. I have no one to talk to.
You have you.
Me?
Yes, you can be your own teacher.
But people will think I am crazy.
Number. Do it in your room, or in the shower, or in your car.
In the shower?
Yes, it is a great place to practice.
Okay, but what do I say?
Describe what you are doing.
Right now?
Yes, try it.
Okay, I am sitting. I am talking to Sarah. We are making a video.
Perfect. Keep going.
I am wearing a blue shirt. I have a pen in my hand.
Excellent, Mike.
This is strange, but good.
It feels strange at first, but it helps a lot.
Why does it help?
Because your ears hear your voice.
My ears?
Yes, your brain learns better when you hear yourself speak.
Ah, I understand.
And you can also describe your room.
My room?
Yes. Look around. Describe everything.
Okay, this is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big. I have a table. The table is small.
Great job, Mike.
I see a lamp. The lamp is on. I have 2 chairs.
You see? You are speaking English.
I am, and I am not translating.
No translation, just English.
This is amazing.
So, tip 3. Talk to yourself. Describe your room. Describe your day.
Okay, this is a lot of good information. Can we review?
Yes, let's review. Tip 1.
Tip 1. Name your actions.
Yes, I am walking. I am eating. I am reading.
Tip 2. Describe my world.
Yes, use your 5 senses. I see a tree. I hear birds. I feel the wind.
And tip 3. Talk to myself.
Yes, speak English out loud. Describe your room. Describe your day.
Sarah, these tips are simple.
They are simple.
But will they work? Will my brain change?
Yes, but it takes time.
How much time?
It depends. If you practice every day, maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months.
1 or 2 months?
Yes, learning a language is slow, but that is okay.
So I must be patient.
Yes, be patient. Be kind to yourself.
What if I make a mistake?
Mistakes are good.
Good?
Yes, mistakes mean you are learning. Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. Okay.
And remember, practice every day, just 10 minutes or 15 minutes.
10 or 15 minutes, that is not a lot.
No, it is easy. Small steps every day.
Small steps. I like this.
And most important, have fun.
Have fun.
Yes, if it is not fun, you will stop.
That is true.
So choose topics you like. If you like cooking, describe cooking.
I am cutting the tomato. I am adding salt.
Perfect. If you like sports, describe sports.
I am watching football. The player is running.
You see, it is fun and it is learning.
This is brilliant, Sarah.
Thank you, Mike. I hope this helps everyone.
Me too. Everyone listening, you can do this.
Yes. Start today. Start right now.
Name your actions. Describe your world. Talk to yourself.
Your brain will change. You will think in English.
And speaking will become natural.
Natural and easy.
That was a great episode, Mike.
Thank you, Sarah. I learned a lot.
And everyone listening, we have one more request.
Yes, please don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English channel.
Subscribe for more easy and fun videos.
And share this video with your friends.
If you know someone learning English, send them this video.
Share the fun.
And we have a question for you.
A question, yes.
Leave a comment below. Tell us, how do you practice English?
Yes. Do you talk to yourself? Do you name your actions?
Write your answer in the comments. We want to read them.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.